Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and equipment. Open the deck, confirm slide order, and clear desktop distractions. Once done, test your microphone and webcam, speak at expected level, and adjust gain so peaks avoid clipping. Make sure camera framing is steady and background is tidy. Then go to Slideshow and choose Record Slideshow, select camera and mic inputs, and opt to record slide timings. Press Start Recording when ready, and begin delivering the first slide with a natural pace. You now record the core content. Speak clearly, vary pace, and keep sentences concise so editing is easier. Use the camera overlay for presenter presence, or record video separately and sync later if preferred. Annotate with pen or laser pointer during key points to guide attention. Pause briefly between slides to create clean edit points, and if a line trips you up, stop and re-record just that slide. Make sure to monitor the audio waveform and re-record any clipped or noisy segments before moving on. You finish by exporting the presentation as a video file. File export create a video, pick resolution and frame rate, and include recorded timings. Once exported, play the render to confirm audio sync, camera overlays, and animations. If file size is large, compress with a reliable codec or reduce resolution. Make sure subtitles or captions are embedded if required. Troubleshooting tip: if audio and video misalign, re-export with a different frame rate or replace the audio track in a simple editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.